Hey peeps, got an update on my sticky bruise, and as you can see, it's still there. So anyway, yeah, I did a lot of research about these sticky bruises, or these what some people may call permanent bruises, and what I found is they can last anywhere from several weeks to several months to a year or more. It depends. And some people say they are permanent. So this is just an update. Not happy. But what are we going to do? So while you're here, thumbs up, comment on, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you're subscribing to my YouTube channel, ring that notification bell for future video uploads. And yeah. May Christ bless each and every one of you most abundantly. Yeah, don't get a sticky bruise like me. Just don't do it.